Okay, trying one more. This one is from March 9th. We are going to make it so we can see our HTML and go through it quickly. Our outer container is the recipe card. I assume it's this whole thing. And it looks like this doesn't actually fit on the screen. There's something at the bottom here. I can't tell what it is, but there's something on the bottom that makes this not fit on the screen. Whatever. Okay, that's all right. We have our recipe header, which is the brown box. Inside that, we have a category sort of thing. We have a title, or spaghetti carbonara, and we have the description, which is a p tag. We have our center section, which is the recipe meta, I assume. And then we have three meta items. We have the icon. I get it. A meta item is one of these boxes. So we have the timer, 25, and the minutes. Then we have a divider that is its own thing. And then we have another meta item, another divider, another meta item. So there's technically 5 elements there. Okay, more than that, but you know. And then we finally have our ingredients section, which is an H3 with a UL and some LIs in it. And then we have a button. The button is the thing that we can't see. There's a button down here that says start cooking. Okay. So we know that the box is actually off screen a little bit. I assume that's not compared in the diff. I have no idea. I have no idea how the diff works. Okay. I guess we're going to just start. We have a bunch of selectors. We have a bunch of variables for colors. Yeah, there we go. All right. We are going to start with recipe card. And it's going to get a display flex direction is going to be column. It's going to get a background. It's going to be var bg. Actually, that's not true. It's going to be in the recipe header. Yeah, and it didn't work, of course. Card, that's header bg. Must be what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. Up here on our card, we're going to go ahead and set some dimensions. So we're going to say height, something like 400 pixels. It's going to be more than that, but that's okay. Width, 300 pixels. Is that remotely correct? It's remotely correct. It's not correct. Height's going to be probably more, or 50, but the top isn't even right. Okay. So do we need to margin it in? Nope. Maybe we need to put some padding on the body. Padding, 20 pixels. 30. Okay. 22. That looks right for the top. 0. 100. No. No, no, no. I don't want that. That's the one I want. 80. 60. 40. 20. 10. 12. 12 looks close. Recipe header, border, radius, 10 pixels, 10 pixels, 0, 0. It's 20, I think. Doesn't look great at 20. Maybe it's 15. I have so much trouble with these. We'll leave it at 15 for now. All right. Height, 100 pixels, 150, 140, 145, 142. That looks not terrible. Let's now make this padding 20 pixels. Close. Cuisine tag. We are going to have a background. It's going to be var. I don't know what it's going to be. Let's look at our list. We have card border, header, background, tag background, and tag color. Maybe that's it. That looks right. It's going to have padding. That's going to be 10 pixels. That's too much. 5 pixels. 10 pixels. Border radius 9 inches. Color var tag text. All right. Top and bottom padding are too much. Two. Is closer. Font size 0.9 rem. Doesn't look wide enough now. Okay. We're going to move on for a minute and get some other stuff kind of in place because we're halfway done. Recipe title. Color. var. Title color. Looks right. And then recipe description. Color. var. Description color. Looks right. Now this thing, this cuisine tag, that's the recipe header. It is display flex direction column and gap 10 pixels. Semicolon. Yeah, that's gonna happen. Okay. Cuisine tag, we can specify it to have a width of 50 pixels. 70. That's somewhat close. Looks like we need maybe a touch more gap. 12. Nope. 10. Maybe it's less. 8. That doesn't look terrible. The title is too long, however. So, font size, 1.5 rem. 4, 3, 2, 5. That looks pretty close. The description font size. Let's start with 1 rem. 0.9. 5. It's close. It's not right. It's close. Let's move on to the next piece, which is the recipe meta, which is going to get display flex, and then each meta item is going to get display flex direction column, and then meta divider is going to get order left, 1 pixel, solid, var, meta border. That is not drawing for some reason. Width, 10 pixels. Background, maybe it is drawing. Maybe it's just, yeah, I think it's drawing. It's just very light. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, it's drawing. Okay. Up here, we need to say width 100%. Nope. 300 pixels. Am I on the right thing? Yeah. Outline 1 cube, solid red. Yeah, that's the right thing. Okay. Let's no justify content space between, space even? No, space between. Okay, we have something. It's not perfect yet, but we didn't think it would be. Down here, where is our meta item? That's it. We need justify content center, align items center, width, I don't know, 50 pixels. And then this, I don't think I want space between. I think I want space evenly. That's closer. It's not right yet, but it's closer. We have this thing still going on. Okay. We have, what do we have? We need to push this down a little bit. So let's do margin top. Oh, 5%. Wow, that's the worst yet. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I should really stop working through all the details and do things like set all the background colors first. That would be a much smarter approach. Okay, well, you live and you learn. Thanks for watching.